Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track motion and attach text in DaVinci Resolve. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the standard and the fastest method suitable for tracking a specific point or small object in DaVinci Resolve is to use the Fusion page. So all you gotta do is simply go to Fusion page on DaVinci Resolve. So once you're in this page, you need to use the tracker node. So once you have used the tracker node here, all you gotta do now is simply tap it on. After you have done this, you need to tap on the tracker node for pointing track or planar tracker for surface tracking. The basic workflow involves tracking a high contrast object, setting the operation to match and move, and connecting a text node to the tracker data. So if you're gonna do this, then you will be able to simply track motion and add or attach text in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.